Alright, today we're going to be doing part 2 of our colored pencil technique. If you look at the directions, the very top part of it explains the process. The bottom part explains step by step. So I'm going to just simplify the top part for you. You are going to be using opaque colors to do your blending. So for your opaque colors, you're going to have cream, you're going to have white, and you're going to have gray. The main color that you're using is a blue. For this process, you start off by filling in A through M with blue, and then as you build up your layers, your opaque colors are going to be completed where you're putting cream in sections B through E, white in sections F through I, and gray in sections J through M. So to start off, you're going to fill each one of these boxes with the blue colored pencil. Remember, we're concentrating on controlling our colored pencil, so I don't want you just scribbling across the whole area. You're going to fill in each box by itself. The idea is to, as you're building them up, each section will get darker as it goes to the right. Alright, so just like in part 1, it's easiest or less confusing if we cross off the directions as we go. So I'm working in the bottom paragraph, or second paragraph. The first sentence, the techniques works as follows: blue is applied first. We did that. The next step is apply the opaque colors in B through M over the blue. So in B through E, I'm going to apply cream. And remember, we want to go in the opposite direction. And these colors are starting to blend the blue. So B through E was cream. F through I is white. And J through M, you use gray. Now we're doing this just with blue. On your own, you can actually try this with different colors to see what values you get. Alright, so I'm going to cross off those directions. Okay, in the next step it says reapply the blue in areas C through E, G through I, and K through M. So what I'm basically doing is I'm eliminating columns as I go. So I'm going to reapply the blue now in the opposite direction again. So I'm going to go back to top to bottom. Right, so like I said before, the goal is as we get more to the right, our colors start to get a little bit darker because I'm building up more layers. So I applied the blue in those areas. And now I reapply the opaque colors again. And I'm eliminating this third row. And I'm going to go back over D and E with cream. Do H and I with white. And L and M, oops, wrong one, with gray. In the last step, I'm going to then apply the blue again, but just in this column. All right, so each column going down ends up getting darker. When you're finished, make sure you put your name on your paper and turn it in.